Brown. We got a 47% plaque index today, and how I got to that number was you have 28 teeth, and on those 28 teeth, there's 5 surfaces that are at risk for plaque. And so on your top teeth, you had 29 surfaces that I wrote down there was plaque, and then on your bottom teeth, there was 37 surfaces. So then I added those together and I got 66. And then your 5 surfaces on each of those teeth, I did 5 times 28 and I got 140. So I took your surfaces that had plaque and divided it by the surfaces that could potentially be at risk for plaque. And I got 0.47, and then I times that by 100, and that's how I got your 47%. Do you have any questions about that? Okay. Our goal is to be 20% or less, but the ultimate goal is to have 0% of plaque, of course. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how you floss and brush your teeth and how often. How often do you floss?
Every once in a while.
Every once in a while? Okay, what about brushing? Do you?
Twice a day.
Twice a day? Okay. If you show me how you are brushing right now with your technique. Okay. Do you pretty much, go from like top to bottom, or do you skip around sometimes when you're brushing?
Top to bottom.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to show you a technique that you can use, because it's showed on here that you had a few places where you had interproximal decay, which is in between your teeth. Plaque. And so I'm going to show you a technique that I think will be good for that. Okay, this is called the modified bass. And so you take your bristles of your toothbrush and you put them at a 45-degree angle like this, kind of at your gums and the top of your tooth there. And you're going to vibrate like this and count to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you're going to switch down for the modified bass. And then once you've completed those 2 surfaces, then you're just going to move to the next, and you're going to do the same vibrating technique at a 45-degree angle and count to 10 and swoop down. Okay? Can you show me?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, that looks good. Okay, and then you also had a few of the occlusal, which is your biting surfaces, plaque. And so I'm going to show you the modified scrub, and it's just like this, and you just go back and forth. Which you were kind of doing that earlier on your front teeth, but sometimes it's harder to get to the biting surfaces because the grooves in the teeth. That was good. Okay, and you said that you floss sometimes. Okay, can you show me what you do when you floss?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to show you a more efficient way. That way you're making sure that you're getting all the surfaces in between your teeth. Okay, you're gonna have like an anchor finger. You're just gonna wrap it a few times, and then you're gonna wrap it around your middle finger on your opposite hand, and you're gonna leave about 1/2 inch of working space, and you're gonna go through the contact, and you're gonna make a C shape, and then you're gonna take it out, and then you're gonna wrap it around your finger so you have a new piece of floss, and you're gonna go back through the same contact, and you're just gonna go the other way in a C shape. That way you can get both sides in between the teeth.
Okay.
You can show me. That's good. Okay, so we recommend that you brush in the morning and the evening, and that you floss at least 1 time a day. And sometimes it's better to do that at night, so because you're asleep for all those hours. So again, you're at 47% plaque index, and we like to be at 20% or less. So I think with the techniques that I've showed you today and the flossing technique, that we'll definitely be able to reach that goal.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you.